Hey, Trucker Todd here, and time for an unexpected video. It's Saturday. I was preparing to shoot a video about this solar-powered headset that I really like, and I noticed across from me there was some guys stuck in a box truck. State Patrol was there with them, and I'll kind of show you that video. Officer couldn't get the door open. Guys were hot inside the trailer. He had the fire department on the way, and I watched for a few minutes, and then I walked over and asked him if I could help. Speaking of helping, you guys give me a thumbs up, share this video on your social media platforms, make sure you're subscribed so that you get notifications when videos like this come out. And all right, let's cue up the music and jump right in. Here we go.
And this is why I do this, why I'm out here, why I keep that hammer down. Flying by these road signs with home on my mind, with these wheels turning round. For my family and for my kids, for this life I wanna live. And this is why I do this.
So I was in the process of shooting a video, and I'm here at an Oasis for a toll booth, or I mean for a toll road here in Ohio. And wouldn't you know it, some guy locks himself in the back of a box truck. They are trying to get him out right now, and I just thought it was kind of interesting. I'm in Amherst, Ohio. I saw him stick his hand out a couple of times, and they've tried a crowbar to pry the door open. He appears to be okay. I don't know how the door got shut on him or why he can't get it open. As you can see, state police are there trying to help. I'm gonna kill my truck so y'all can hear me better. We'll just kind of stay here with them for a few minutes and see what happens. You can see him sticking his arm out under the door. Hopefully, if they can get it up a few more inches, he can slither out. If it's a big guy like me, he's probably going to be in there a while. See his arm again. You think you're having a bad day, at least you're not going through this. Now they're letting out the lift gate. right back. I'm gonna walk over there and see if there's anything I can do. Okay, let's talk about what just happened. I was reluctant to release this video because I don't want to toot my own horn. I try to, I always try to preach out here about helping other truck drivers and not just thinking about yourself and having a me first attitude out here. And today was just one of those times that I was able to help somebody and catch it on video. And this is not designed for you to say, oh, look how great Trucker Todd is. This is more designed to hopefully motivate you, hopefully inspire you to do the same thing. If you see somebody struggling, get out and help them. If you see law enforcement struggling, Walk over, say, hey, can I help? Do you need anything? Things like that. You see somebody struggling to back into a parking place, get out and do your part. Do what you can to help. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and wrap this video up. Like I said, this one wasn't planned. Join me for the live show Tuesday night at 5 p.m. Central Time, and the live show Thursday nights at 5 p.m. Central Time. If you're subscribed, it's free to do. You get a notification when those videos come out. And also, if I can quit getting interrupted, we'll be talking about this solar powered headset maybe on Monday. So you guys have a great weekend. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.